Muffler guy here, big trucks need big solutions. This Hino Dutro came in needing a catalytic converter replacement. Not just any converter, a huge one, built for a truck this size. Every measurement was precise, every weld was solid, because a truck like this works too hard to run on anything less. You can contact us on 0966 750980, or you can visit our store at Jersey Mall along Ali Kinkata Road, Kalingaling. Big or small, every car gets the same attention here. Pay off, and when we fired it up, full power, running the way a workhorse should. No jobs too big for the muffler guy.